Looking for an affordable laptop with built-in 4G? Meet the JioBook 11, a lightweight, budget-friendly laptop with lifetime office access, Android-based JioOS, and an octa-core processor. Let's dive into its features and see if it's worth buying. 1. Built-in 4G and always connected. Built-in 4G SIM plus dual-band Wi-Fi. No need for external internet. Stay online anywhere. Ideal for students, professionals, and remote workers. 2. Lightweight and portable. Ultralight design. Weighs only 990 grams. 11.6-inch compact display, easy to carry. Slim and stylish. Blue color finish. 3. Smooth performance. Powerful octa-core processor. MediaTek 8788 processor for smooth multitasking. 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, expandable via microSD. JioOS, fast and optimized Android-based OS. 4. Lifetime office and productivity. Work anytime, anywhere. Lifetime access to office apps, Word, Excel, PPT, great for students and professionals. Seamless document editing, presentations and emails. 5. Battery life and extras. All-day battery, long-lasting battery backup for full-day use. USB, HDMI and micro SD ports for extra connectivity, perfect for learning and entertainment.
Final verdict?
JioBook 11 is perfect for students, online learning and assignments, working professionals, emails and office work, travelers, ultra lightweight and portable. At this price, it's a great budget laptop with 4G connectivity. What do you think about JioBook 11? Drop your comments below. Like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews.